Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we have studied measurement of earth resistance, where we have seen fall of potential method. Now, coming to the second method for the measurement of earth resistance, that is earth tester. So basically, this earth tester is similar kind of device as a measure. The earth tester is a special type of measure and has some additional features, that is a rotating current reverse and a rectifier. Now, the earth resistance of earth can be measured by the earth tester as shown in this figure. Here you can see the diagram of it. A current reverse and a rectifier is present here. Both of these additional features consist of a simple commutator. These are the commutators made of L-shape segment. They are mounted on the shaft of this hand driven generator. Each commutator has fixed four bushes like 1, 2 and 3 and 4. This one commutator has a 4 fixed bushes. One pair of each set of bushes is so positioned that they make contact alternative with one segment and then with the other as the commutator rotates. Like one of the segment of this bush is connected to this C2 and alternative to that from the first one, this alternative bushes is connected to C1. Like the contact will remain when the commutator rotates, and the second pair of these bushes is connected to this this second one is connected to this potential coil, and this one is connected to the DC generator. And in rectifier also there is connection similar to that. P1 for one bushes is connected to the P1 and alternative bushes to this is connected to this P2, and one of the bushes is connected to the current coil, and another alternative bushes is connected to the potential coil. Okay, so here it's a PMMC type arrangement. Here the potential coil of this is connected to this rectifier terminal, and the current coil terminals are connected to the DC generator and to the current reversal. The the earth tester has four terminals, that is P1, P2, C1, C2. The two terminals P1 and C1 are shorted to form this one is shorted with a link, DC link, shorted to form a common point to be connected to the earth electrode. Here you can see that. The other two terminals P2 and C2 are connected to the auxiliary electrode P and C respectively. The indication of earth tester depends upon the ratio of voltage across the pressure coil here and current through the current coil. The deflection of its pointer indicates the earth resistance directly. Although the earth tester, which has a permanent magnet moving coil instrument, can operate only on DC, yet by including the reversal and rectifying devices, it is possible to make the measurement of AC flowing in the coil. We have also started this, like if we have to modify the PMC for measurement of AC devices, we have to include some rectifying devices here. The sending of AC current through the soil has many advantages, and therefore this system is used. The use of AC passing through the coil eliminates unwanted effects due to the production of back EMF in the soil or almost of electrolytic action. Also, the instrument is free from the effects of alternating and direct current present in the coil. So these are some advantages of this using this earth tester. So this is a basic kind of tester similar to that of Magger and having some features of PMMC. For now I'm ending this lecture. In next lecture we're going to start the potentiometer unit. Till now I'm just providing this lecture to the our college website. Till then, continue your lecture. Stay healthy, stay safe.